My name is Sumedha Adavde. I had enrolled for Dr. Anamika Chauhan Magnificent Morning and then Magnificent Life Challenge MLC course post that. So this course I had enrolled in February and I finished all the modules in MLC. It was really very helpful. The kind of transformation it has brought in me in respect of relationships, be it self-image or in terms of thinking of prosperity and abundance, the positivity it has got in me, it is really awesome. I had never experienced such feeling, or I had never had this kind of experience in my whole life actually. I had enrolled in this program in February when I was little bit low in my professional life, and thankfully I finished the digital detox program by Dr. Anamika Chauhan, and I also enrolled for the MLC course. And it has three modules: total image recall, game of trust, and 21 days wealth frequency challenge. So in all the modules, the concepts that have been explained by Dr. Anamika are really great and very inspiring. Be it from from MLC, now have become the part of my life. Like be it saltwater bath, be it twin heart meditation, be it applying 2010 rule in my daily task. In terms of thinking of prosperity and abundance, talking to the financial advisor, budgeting, financial planning, all the stuff. It's like all in one package you get in MLC. It's a highly recommended course. So, with regards to what I saw in my achievement, basically, I am a risk professional from banking industry, but I am also a passionate writer. I am a CISA certified professional, certified information systems auditor from an institute named ISACA. It's a global institution. I have been a member of it since last 12 years. And so what happened is in February I have finished this course, and suddenly in by February end I thought that I should write a book. So it had never clicked me for so many years. I've been writing for like 20 years now. It had never clicked to me that I should write a book. An idea jumped literally jumped to me, like why not cover the effect of pandemic to the mostly highly impacted industries. So I started working towards it with Dr. Anamika's mentoring and inspiration. I finished two chapters. Then after that I also started working on other chapters, and I started interviewing people from different industries. I had never taken up this kind of project. The kind of motivation this MLC course has gotten me is like really a big transformation. The book part, I am really striving to complete the book part. Anamika has always been supportive through the regular Q&A sessions on Sunday and through Slido and all, and she just kept on motivating me to write the book. And I am on my fourth chapter now, just finishing, hoping to finish writing at least by December 2021. In terms of relationship also, I have actually seen the power of positive thinking. So in terms of parenting also, Namika has provided a little bit of tips which has also been helpful for me. So this all in all is a really good course because of the kind of motivation, the courage that this course has brought in me. It has really been very helpful and highly recommended if you really want to change yourself in terms of all in all aspects, in terms of managing your money, in terms of changing yourself from within, in and out, and in terms of handling your relationships and winning more and more relationships. So it has been really very helpful. What I realized is this year has been actually a transformational year for me. For like till 2020 I had never realized the inner potential also that I had in me. Though I have been writing for so many years, I have developed a more knack towards thinking more from all angles, 360 degrees, and thinking more rationally about things. And I mean, about giving reactions or responding to people or situations also has changed a lot. I mean, people around me actually have started feeling the change, at least in my teams, in office and in personal life also, people around me have started feeling the change, and it is really for good. All changes are for good, and I'm really thankful to Anamika for this.